Hello friends, welcome back. So now our target is we have to create our listing page, that is the product listing page. So what we will do, we have to fetch all the data from the app data.js, and that we need to with the help of including the image, price, and the title. So we need to fetch into this. So to complete this, just let's create one file, that is product product list dot js, and let's start. Actually I have added some plugin, so it will directly create the bootstrap boilerplate. So yeah, you can see import react, then else import import product consumer. This is we required that, as we need to fetch the data from the app data, and it will be shared by context API later on. So now, so to do this, what we will do, we will add the class name as a container here. Then we will create all the div, and this we will have H1 or H2, whatever the requirement. Here we have the find your drink, and then we, this is the title. Then we will create the row, create the, as we have imported the product consumer. So let me make it as capital P, product consumer. So in this consumer we have imported the component, and then when that component will share data with us to the other component. So product consumer, let's create a callback value. You can take any to here return value dot product dot map. I'm just mapping product equal to product dot id, and product equal to product. So let's create one more file in the component, that is the product.js. So here the product. So here we required some link from React router DOM. Then import card. This is the Bootstrap React Bootstrap class call and button. So React Bootstrap. Then we require product consumer, as we are fetching the values from. Fine. Then what we need to do here, just here we can create a constant id required, then we require title. Now you can see what, from where it is coming. It is coming as a props. So from where it is, we are passing here class name. I don't want to this time and creating a bootstrap. All we will create MD 6 and 3. Now here we will create product and in this we are value card on so value dot and details and we are ID means we have to create a detail page. So once we click on the particular image or product, we will redirect to the detail page and we could require the ID to dealing with the data. So of particular selected product. Now here we it is now we have to add the link to the detail page. So link as we have imported above from the React router DOM, link to detail page. Detail page within the link image variant where we factor top src source image as we already imported image id so we directly given the path. So now link is complete. Then let's complete it. Let's create card footer. We will create a row and in the row we create a column and the column equal to sn small disabled equal to in card. So what it will check? It will check the in card value. If it is 0 or 1, based on that it will be this button will get disabled. So initially the value of the in cart is false. So if it is true, then it will get disabled. In cart here when we based on the in cart value we have to show to the user like whether it is an in cart or whether a user can able to add cart. So it is depends on the in cart key. So equal to true. If it is true, then the question mark we will create a span in cart. If it is not into the cart, again create a span and span you can add to cart. For this let's add one more. It is for the to show the our we already imported above. Price. So now it's almost done with the product. So whatever we are mapping this and we are returning here, and it will, the values are showing as per the our the requirement. So here, so what it will, this is for the button, means that button that I shown you into the first video, like we have in cart. If the in cart value is true, means that product is into the cart, then it, it is showing in cart, and otherwise it will show as a add to cart. And based on that also we have to disable the button. If it is in cart, then button should be in a disable mode, yeah, so that user cannot add more same product. In app.js, let's add our newly created component. So import. So now what we need to do here, we also we need some routing part. So import switch route from React router DOM. Instead of we will write route path equal to, if the path is this, then we component we have to add the component we have imported, that is nav. Then switch, within the switch again route, if the part exactly this one, then component product list. Oh, we missed to add the component, the product component. Import product. Let's check. Again, one more error. Titles. Titles are not defined in product.js. Oops, my bad. I did title instead of title. Yeah, boom. Now you can see our data. As you can see, product listing page is completed. So let's move to the other functionality, like add to the cart, then the cart part and the product detail page as well. So if we click on here, we don't have the detail page as of now. So let's create it. So we will draw. Yeah. So thank you for watching this. We will in next video we will complete the remaining functionality. So, thank you.